Hey guys, it's Brett from Printed Threads, and since we're all quarantining, we want you to go support all the restaurants, everybody that's doing takeout food as well. But if you're at work or if you're at home trying to have a cheap lunch, I'm gonna give you a few recommendations. This right here is a Totino's party pizza. You might remember these from your youth. They still make them. However, they are no longer in a box. They're in a plastic package, and they're rectangle now instead of circle, which is a little hard to deal with, honestly. We're up at the Printed Threads office. We don't have a real oven, but I'll tell you what we do have. We have a toaster oven. So this is a toaster oven right here. It's got the same little dial that you have at home for how hot you want to make your oven. Look to the back of the package here. It says heat your toaster oven to 450 degrees, which I've done. So you open the bag, and I'm gonna just open up the toaster oven, and then we're just gonna throw that in there, just like that. And now it tells us we are going to let that sit in there for 15 to 16 minutes. That is a very exact amount of time. Hey Siri, set a timer for 15 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 15 minutes.
And in about 15 minutes here, we'll come back and we'll see what has happened. All right, now it's been 15 to 16 minutes, and I believe that our Totino's pizza is ready in the toaster oven. I'm gonna use these scissors to get the pizza out of the oven. All right. Just gonna grab my plate here and position it under the pizza, and then we're gonna try to get the pizza off the rack. There it is. There we go. And voila, you have a fresh cooked Totino's pizza. Probably cost you about $1.25. Now the cool thing about this is you can eat it as one giant pizza slice. You can cut it up into small pizzas and share with your friends, or you can just fold it over and call it a calzone. Thanks for tuning in to Printed Threads Cheap Eat Tips.